we have some good news for people who don't like hiccups. So a cure has been found for hiccups today at B News and across the world. So here's the cure. So if you laugh or talk nonstop for 10 seconds, it is believed by experts that you will lose your hiccups. This is great for people who don't like hiccups or people who think hiccups are annoying. We are glad that we found a cure. And if your hiccup persists in the following days, months, or years, a potion that cures hiccups will be delivered and will be shipped all across the world. So this is good news for people that don't like hiccups or they think they're annoying and will ruin their talking. So get ready. So get ready for the potion to be developed. If you have hiccups, try the strategy that we said earlier. That's all we have at B News. Goodbye, everybody. Due to us being worked at for a few hours, we will have no outro today.